Hey, what's up everybody? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the correct way to create a bootable USB for Windows 11 operating system installation. There are lots of chaos about Windows 11 operating system, like Windows 11 collect user data. It doesn't have any privacy. They added lots of bloatware in our operating system, and also they force us to use their Microsoft account and connect our operating system with Microsoft owned services. So after watching this video and following this video, whenever you create a bootable USB drive, you will solve all of this issue whatever you are getting online for Microsoft Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, first of all, what you need to do, you need to download the Microsoft Windows 11 operating system ISO file. And luckily Microsoft is now giving us the Windows 11 operating system ISO file completely for free. Now let me show you how you can download it. So first of all, open up any of your browser, then search on Google Windows 11 ISO file download. Then go to this first link from Microsoft. Then from here scroll down, and from this list select download Windows 11 multi ISO edition for x64 device. Then click on confirm. Then from the product language, click here and select your product language. I'm gonna select United States. Then click on confirm. Then you will get a download button, and if we click on this download button, it should start downloading the Windows 11 latest ISO file. And this download link will only be valid for 24 hours from this time of creation. So click on this button and download the Windows 11 ISO file. I had already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. And after that, you need to download a USB flashing software, and there is a very well-known flashing software named Rufus. So take another tab and search for Rufus. Then go to this first link, rufus.ie. Then scroll down, and from this download section, download this Rufus latest exe file. Okay, so here you can see Rufus exe file has been downloaded. At this time, I will suggest you to connect your USB thumb drive with your computer. I had already connected my USB thumb drive. So after that, click on this Rufus exe file to open it. Then you can close the browser. And here is the application that you can use to flash Windows 11 ISO file into a USB drive and create a bootable USB drive. From the device, select your USB thumb drive. Here you can see I'm using 32 GB USB drive. Then from the boot selection, make sure to select disk or ISO image. Then click on select. Then go to your downloads folder where you keep your Windows 11 ISO file. Here you can see I have kept it in my documents folder. So select Windows 11 ISO file, then click on open. Then from the image option, make sure to select standard Windows installation. Then from the partition scheme, you have to select from GPT or MBR. If you are not sure what disk partition you are using currently on your computer, then right click on your start, then go to disk management. And this disk one is my C drive. So select your C drive, right click here, then go to properties. Then from here, go to volumes, and here you can see my currently partition scheme is GPT. So if you get MBR here, you have to select MBR from this partition scheme, and if you have GPT, then you have to select GPT partition scheme. So I have GPT, so I have to select GPT. And also you have to select for the GPT UEFI non-ECSM. If you select MBR, your target system will be BIOS or UEFI, or for GPT it will be UEFI non-CSM. Then here you can see the volume label. You can keep it as it is, or you can change it to Windows 11 installer. Then you have to make sure file system is NTFS and keep default the cluster size. Then click on start, and a new pop-up will come, and from here you will get the all of the option whatever you required before installing Windows 11. Remember the starting of the video, I said all the issues about the Windows 11 operating system. So you can get rid of all of this issue during this process. Here you can see Here you can see there is an option called remove requirement for 4 GB RAM and secure boot and TPM. You can select this one to remove this requirement. Also, Microsoft Windows have requirement to online Microsoft account. You can remove also. Also, you can create a local user account using this option. I have already this username assigned to this computer, so that's why it automatically get here. If you want to use different user account, you can type your user account name here and it will create a local user account during the installation. You don't need to add Microsoft account or create local account manually. Then from here you can set your reason. If you want to skip privacy question or disable data collection, you can select it. And if you want to disable BitLocker, you can select all of this option. I will recommend you to select all of this option. Then click on OK. Then a new pop-up will come. It will warning us that after clicking OK, all of our data will be removed from our USB drive. So if you had any data on your USB drive that you need in future, you should copy all of them and keep a backup of them. Then after that, click on OK. Now here you can see flashing has been started. Now it will take some time to flash the Windows 11 ISO file, and during the flashing it will remove all the requirement Microsoft Windows 11 need to install on our operating system. So guys, that's how you can easily create a fresh and clean Windows 11 bootable USB drive installer. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching SSTec tutorial, and I'm signing out.